Under the sun, the Shinar plain unfolds, an endless expanse of fertile land promising bounty and life. Dressed in simple robes, the Middle Eastern people work the earth, their movements a dance of shared labor. The sun beats down on their bronzed faces, weathered by toil, but their eyes reflect hope. Golden wheat ripples in the breeze, whispering tales of prosperity and unity. The air hums with a rhythm of planting and reaping, a symphony of human endeavor. In this fertile cradle, a civilization blooms, rooted in the soil and nourished by shared purpose. Flickering oil lamps cast dancing shadows across the tent's canvas walls, illuminating the faces of worried elders. The air hangs heavy with apprehension, each breath a silent prayer against the impending doom. They discuss their fears of another flood. A voice cuts through the stillness, amplifying the collective dread. The urgent need for a permanent structure echoes in their hushed tones, a beacon of hope amidst the gathering storm. Their faces etched with worry, the elders seek a solution to defy the relentless forces of nature. Under a smoky sky, countless workers shape clay, their movements a relentless rhythm in the heart of the brickyard. Amidst the chaos, Nimrod stands tall, his presence commanding, his gaze sweeping over the tireless masses. A leader's vision takes shape as bricks rise from the dust, fueled by sweat and ambition. The Tower of Babel's base rises, dwarfing the plain and symbolizing humanity's soaring aspirations. Countless workers swarm the colossal structure, their movements a symphony of tireless construction. They haul bricks and mortar, each contribution fueling the tower's relentless ascent. The sheer magnitude of the project inspires awe, a testament to collective ambition. Under the flickering lamplight, Nimrod sits alone, his shadow dancing on the tent walls. Architectural plans sprawl across the rough table, a testament to his soaring ambition. Intricate details fill the drawings, each line a step toward his grand design. His brow furrows in intense concentration, the weight of his vision pressing down. A burning intensity lights his eyes, reflecting the fire of his world-altering goals. The Tower of Babel claws at the sky, a monument to ambition. Workers from every nation swarm the colossal structure, their diverse tongues united by a single purpose. A collective pride radiates from the workers, fueling their tireless efforts. The very air vibrates with the intoxicating energy of shared ambition and boundless aspiration. Candlelight paints Sarah's worried face with flickering shadows as she sits in her simple room. Nervously, Sarah fidgets with her dress, her eyes reflecting deep apprehension. "Abram, I fear this tower. It is a defiance against God," she whispers, her voice heavy with dread. Her gaze intensifies as she voices her deepest fear. "I worry it will bring divine retribution upon us all." At the Tower of Babel's base, a crowd of dissenters rises, their unified voices challenging the tower's looming presence. Nimrod's guards advance, a swift, merciless wave crashing against the uprising, their faces grim and resolute. The clash is brutal, the air thick with desperation and fear as the guards quell the rebellion with ruthless efficiency. The tower looms, an indifferent giant against the backdrop of conflict, embodying Nimrod's towering ambition. Silence descends, broken only by the cries of the defeated, as the seeds of authoritarianism take root in the blood-soaked earth. Lightning splits the sky above the Tower of Babel, its silhouette a defiant challenge against the heavens. Some see divine wrath, a celestial rebuke. Others dismiss it as the indifferent dance of nature. The tower stands firm, a monument to ambition. The storm rages on, mirroring the turmoil of human endeavor below. Sunlight floods the Tower of Babel's vast chamber, illuminating workers pushing towards the sky. Covered in dust and sweat, they reach a new height, their cheers echoing off the stone. Tools are tossed into the air as a spontaneous celebration explodes. Music and rhythmic stomping fill the cavernous space, a symphony of triumph. The air crackles with joy, a tangible sense of accomplishment. Beneath the revelry, a subtle undercurrent of hubris taints their soaring achievement. At the Tower of Babel's dizzying apex, a blinding light forms, unveiling a figure wreathed in celestial radiance. The figure raises a hand, an alien gesture that silences the chaotic construction site below. An incomprehensible voice echoes, resonating with an otherworldly power, leaving the workers in awe. Faces etched with bewilderment, the workers crane their necks, their unease growing with each strange syllable. Speaking in an unknown language, the figure proclaims, the sound reverberating through the tower. The Tower of Babel hums with confusion as people struggle to understand each other, their faces mirroring the chaos around them. Wild gestures and desperate attempts to communicate fill the air, a symphony of incomprehensible sounds. The shared language, once a bond, is now lost. The crowd's unity crumbles with each failed attempt at communication. Panic bubbles to the surface, escalating into full-blown chaos as the realization dawns. They are alone, divided by words. The Tower of Babel looms, a colossal ambition halted mid-sky, its unfinished form a testament to fractured dreams. Once unified, the workers now clash, their shared purpose dissolved into a cacophony of incomprehensible tongues. Heated arguments erupt into physical altercations, a chaotic ballet of frustration and misunderstanding. The dream of unity crumbles, replaced by a stark reality of division, etched in every face and gesture. The tower stands defiant against the heavens, a monument not to unity, but to the discord of humankind. Inside Nimrod's tent, shadows dance in the lamplight, revealing a king consumed by despair. Nimrod hunches over a table, his face a canvas of sorrow, the flickering light reflecting his unshed tears. A half-finished map lies before him, its trade routes now mocking reminders of his shattered dreams. The weight of failure crushes him, each line on the map a testament to his crumbling kingdom. Powerless, Nimrod watches his vision of a unified world dissolve into dust and shadows. From the city gates, a multitude spills onto the Shinar plain, a vibrant river seeking new courses. The throng disperses, each group charting its own destiny across the expansive plain. Scattered settlements begin to dot the landscape, small beacons of hope and new beginnings. In each enclave, unique dialects begin to bloom, the seeds of division sown by time. Across the Shinar plain, a symphony of languages rises, each a testament to isolation and divergence. Under the relentless desert sun, Abram leads his family, their silhouettes fading into the horizon. Each step forward is a testament to their resolve, their figures dwarfed by the immensity of the desert. Abram pauses, his gaze drawn back to Babel, a monument of the past against the skyline. Sadness and hope intertwine on his face as he contemplates the journey ahead. His fingers find the amulet, a symbol of unwavering faith and a guide through uncertainty. The amulet glows warmly, a beacon of promise in the harsh desert. A line of weary travelers battles a steep, rocky mountain pass, their figures dwarfed by the towering peaks. The wind howls mercilessly, tearing at their cloaks, each gust a bitter reminder of their arduous journey. Each step is a painstaking effort against the loose scree, a testament to their unwavering determination. These are the scattered, forged in hardship, their faces etched with resilience and an unyielding hope. They search for a sanctuary, a place to call their own amidst the unforgiving grandeur of the mountains. Under the vast sky, the coastal village awakens, full of life and promise. Fishermen cast their nets into the shimmering sea, their movements practiced and rhythmic. Voices rise and fall on the wind, a symphony of dialects unique to this vibrant shore. The air buzzes with a medley of languages, each word a thread in the rich tapestry of the village. A vibrant coastal community thrives, where cultures blend and stories intertwine under the sun. Beneath the scorching sun, a vibrant oasis explodes with life, a stark contrast to the endless desert. Nomadic tribes gather, their colorful tents painting the scene. The air vibrates with a mix of languages, a symphony of human voices echoing. Stories and traditions are exchanged, water and dates offered in unity. The oasis becomes a melting pot, a testament to the enduring human spirit. Under a blazing sun, the Tower of Babel's skeleton pierces the sky, a silent testament to ambition and ruin. A sprawling ancient city pulses with life at the tower's base, its markets teeming with exotic goods and clamoring voices. Merchants shout, their voices rising above the din as they entice passers-by with promises of riches and adventure. Travelers from distant lands haggle fiercely, their gestures animated as they seek the best passage through the city gates. The air vibrates with the energy of 1,000 stories, a crossroads of dreams and desires, against the backdrop of ancient history. In the warm glow of lamplight, Sarah's wrinkled face tells tales as she sits surrounded by her attentive grandchildren. Her eyes twinkle, she recounts. Long ago, people decided they wanted to build a tower so tall it would reach the heavens. They started with great pride, believing they could achieve anything without God. We must always remember humility and faith, Sarah says gently. Without him, even the grandest plans can crumble. Generations drift by on the Shinar plain. Diverse cultures converge, faces alive with curiosity. An unspoken connection unites them, a shared desire to understand their origins. Under the scorching sun, archaeologists meticulously excavate the crumbling ruins of the Tower of Babel. Centuries of dust yield to reveal fragments of pottery, whispers of lives long past. Worn tools emerge from the sands, remnants of hands that once shaped this colossal structure. Each artifact offers a tangible glimpse into the daily lives of the tower's builders. The desert wind carries the echoes of ambition and the weight of forgotten dreams. Under the vast sky, the Shinar plain awakens, a vibrant tapestry where linguists gather, their faces lit with purpose. Armed with worn notebooks and cutting-edge recorders, they stand as seekers of linguistic truth. The air vibrates with echoes of ancient tongues, each word a vibrant hue in the symphony of human expression. Their quest, to unravel the mysteries of Babel, tracing the threads that bind the world's languages. A collaborative spirit fills the air, uniting diverse minds in their shared pursuit. From the cradle of civilization, a chorus of voices rises, each syllable a step closer to understanding. The sun bleeds across the Shinar plain, casting the Tower of Babel's ruins in stark silhouette against the sunset's fire. Crimson and gold paint the horizon, a breathtaking backdrop to the crumbling monument of human ambition. Wind whispers through the broken stones, carrying echoes of forgotten languages and lost dreams. The tower, a skeletal reminder of pride, pierces the sky as twilight deepens its shadows. A glimmer of hope flickers amidst the ruins, a promise of future harmony carried on the evening breeze. Nature reclaims the fallen tower as life and decay intertwine under the watchful gaze of the setting sun.